My name is Abdulaziz. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I started my master's degree here based on the curriculum that Dairy has. I like how they divided each one and how they start with the pathology, then go advanced to microtechnology, then go advanced to immunohistochemistry and advanced histotechnology. That's what I need in this program, and that's what I need to learn. It has all the materials that histotechnology needs to grow and improve their skills. It has all the microscopes, all the tissue processing that you need, everything you need to treat, everything you need to done, you can do it here. And also the advisor for this one, Dr. Daniel, is very helpful. You can ask him, you can send him an email whenever you want, and he always replies. He always take care of everything that you want until you get it done. The reason why I chose histotechnology, because histo is the only one that you can practice with your hands. Your skills makes you different than the other ones, because other different labs, they are semi-automated or fully automated by now. But here in histotechnology, you will need your skills just to show how you can do it.